How to add link to icon in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a link to an icon in Figma, perfect for making your prototypes interactive. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or you can create a new one. After that, go to the prototype tab on the right hand panel. This is where we create interactions in Figma. Now drag the blue circular node from your icon to the frame you want it to link to. This can be another screen or model or a specific section. Choose the trigger, usually on click, and the action like navigate to. You can also add animations like smart animate for a smooth transition. If you want the icon to open on an external website, use a plugin like link to URL or create a hyperlink text layer. Click the play button at the top right to preview your prototype and test the interaction. And that's it. This is how you add a link to an icon in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.